Hi friends, it's Christina and I'm back with this super easy DIY. These are pieces from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create this piece. You're going to need to pick up 3 of these pieces. They're arrow signs that the Dollar Tree has in store. Once you point these right side up, they look like little houses and I was just completely inspired to create this project. You're also going to pick up 3 pieces of scrapbook paper if you do not have on hand to your liking. The theme is pretty much what you have in your home. If you'd like to paint them white, you can also stay with white. But I love this little spring shabby chic theme I have going on, so I'm going to go ahead and go with this. And I'll link those below. You're going to trace and you're going to cut each piece 3 times. Once you are finished tracing and cutting, you're going to go ahead and take some type of adhesive. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use a glue stick, some tacky glue, some Mod Podge. I just went ahead and took this tape runner here. It's a double-sided tape runner. The Dollar Tree also carries double-sided tape. It just depends on your preference and how you'd like this to look, but this is what I ended up using. Once you're done adhering your project, you're going to go ahead and refer to any type of 3x4 quote pieces. You can easily Google or you can look on Pinterest for printable quotes, 3x4 sizes, or 4x4 or 4x6. It just depends on your preference again. These pieces are from the Frank Garcia studio and these are all sentiment pieces. They say cute quotes. However, these greeting cards are from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and used these as well. I went and cut the cross to my liking here, as you can see. And then the one that reads Easter greetings is so easy. You just peel it off. It's on some foam tape and that works for our project. Once you're done cutting your quotes or your sentiment pieces, you're going to need 4 clothespins and you're going to put one facing up and one facing down, one facing up and one facing down on each of those houses, as you can see there. Once you're done gluing those pieces, you're just going to add some glue right at the top of these and then set that 3rd house right on top. So, because we use clothespins, it is movable. It's kind of posable, but once you stand it, it's completely sturdy. I absolutely love it because it created that 3-dimensional look that I wanted using Dollar Tree items. Then I added these pearls at the bottom. I did use 6 pieces, and just like you see there, I went ahead and glued with E6000 glue. Okay friends, so then moving on, I needed a base and I knew that I wanted my sentiment piece to sit on something. So what I did was I took some nautical rope, folded it in half, glued it together, glued off one of the edges because I didn't want it to fray. And what I did was I glued it directly at the center of that first home on top, facing just a bit up so that it held the sentiment piece. And it was perfect and it actually holds so well. It's so sturdy and I'm going to show you just what it holds. All these pieces and it holds that awesome frame like you see there. So that frame is from the Dollar Tree and I picked up a couple of those and what I did was I painted it white. It was previously pink and I'm going to show you right now the other pieces that they had in store. They had this Nest is Best and then the other one was with it has a cactus and something else. I'm sorry, I thought it showed it more. So I took my chalk paint to create that faux wood look and And what I did was I took a stencil brush, and those stencil brushes are like dry brushes. I took very little, as you can see right here. And what I did was I dabbed my brush 3 times, and I took it very lightly to the frame and created this faux wood look. And it's basically just like a feather stroke going up and down with the direction of the frame. I hope that this DIY inspires you, and I hope that you're able to do it. It's a super easy DIY. It really draws in the season, and not only for the season, but it's cool to put out so that you can switch out these sentiment pieces to whatever the season or the holiday is. You can switch out those backings on the paper and just start all over. So thanks guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram at Lemon Avenue Life. Thanks guys, bye, have a great week.